Automotive lamps often feature complex optical curves to meet both automotive aesthetic and lighting technology requirements. Our company utilizes high-quality materials and high-precision machining, optimizing the mold temperature control system to minimize residual stress in injection-molded lamp components and prevent light distortion. During processing, CNC machines cut steel with micron-level precision, while EDM processes complex coolers. After mold assembly, cooling water flow rates are tested to prevent air bubbles during injection molding. Signs within the mold prevent sink marks on the lampshade during injection molding. A seal parting surface ensures smooth lamp edges. Each mold undergoes 3 trial runs to ensure precise molding of high-quality automotive lamps.